Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable Receive Gifts function on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, update the TikTok app to the latest version. Then, open your TikTok and log into your account. Now from the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Once you are here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now select Creator Tools. Unfortunately, I do not have the gifts options here. In order to enable the function of receiving gifts on TikTok, you want to simply turn this toggle here. But as you can see, this feature is not available on my account. This is because you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to actually receive gifts on TikTok. If you want to go live on TikTok, you must have 1,000 followers. If you want to receive gifts on TikTok, you must have 10,000 followers. You can see eligible accounts and videos must be in good standing. Follow our community guidelines, agree to the terms of service privacy policy and other items policy, and many more options. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.